gold against US dollar has gone again to the higher price levels, and we can see that the prices reached almost 2200, which was all-time high, and we can see when we compare on the weekly time frame. So this is the highest price that price reached, and for now the price did not show any signs of losing strength. So what is visible here, it is that the price is breaking these critical levels as a round number, and the next one, what I have put here, is 2200 as a round number that could be potential resistance and supply zone. We can see that the price on a Friday has made a retrace all the way half of the candle, which is slight retrace because it is the end of the week and when the traders gets out of their trades just to lock the profits. Now what this looks is this week has been confirmed, this bullish breakout, but what you can see, the price has formed another bullish breakout above 2134 as an important level, and it has been reached almost 2200 as the next resistance level and supply zone. So based on this one, I cannot say anything too much because I do not have any information in the past what would happen around this price level, but usually what I use in this case is to find the round numbers and wait what happens around that. So basically, usually what I would like to do that is to wait outside of the market until the market makes a move and makes a clear signal. On the monthly time frame, we can see this is a bullish breakout of the several levels. What will happen in the future? There is a possibility that the price also makes some kind of a stop around this supply zone where the price currently is, and we can see in the past this was a very critical level for the price where the price dropped down. Now, based on the monthly time frame, we cannot make any conclusions how the month will end because we have around two and more weeks until this month ends. So based on this one, what I can see, it is a bullish month. There is less chance that we will see the price drops down like this in this example when the price has formed this large wick and the small body, but anything can happen. We can see what happens on the gold several times when the price reaches higher price levels. So it is the best to stay on the smaller time frames to see how the price behaves on the weekly and especially on the daily time frame. On the weekly, we can see that very critical level is this one here, 2072. Until the price reaches this area, we will see what happens and everything is bullish. But because of this bullish move, I will stay outside of the bearish signals because this bullish momentum is pretty strong. And I'm expecting that the price will stay around this price level a little bit longer. On the daily time frame, we can see that there is no resistance here that has held the price for a while that could make us a small supply zone or currently demand zone around this area. So for now, for the daily time frame, I'm still open to see the price reaching an area 2200, and I will see what happens there. Is there any signal that could point us that the price will drop down in value? But for now, everything is still open. So if you would like to check the daily analysis, when on the daily time frame happens something that could potentially be a bullish or bearish breakout with a potential target, check the link below in the description where you will have a Telegram group for the daily analysis. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.